जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन जमुना तीरवन चारी। नंदन ब्रज जन यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन जमुना तीरवन चारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। माधव कुंज कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। जय बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवर। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन जमुना तीरवन चारी। यशो हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। प्लीज चैंट लाउडली। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare जय राधा कुंड की हरे राम 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 हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे राधे हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे राधे 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 हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे राधे हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल ताई गौर बोल हरि जय गौर निताई जय गौर निताई जय गौर निताई गौरा 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 गौरनिताय 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 जय गौरनिताय जय गौरनिताय जय गौरनिताय गौरनिताय जय गौरनिताय जय राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम राधे श्याम 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 जय राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम जय राधा कुंज बिहारी राधा कुंज बिहारी राधे जय राधा कुंज बिहारी राधा कुंज बिहारी राधे प्रभुपादेर प्रणोदन हे प्रभुपादेर प्रणोदन हे प्रभुपाद जय राधा कुंज बिहारी राधा कुंज बिहारी राधे जय वृंदा देवी जय वृंदा देवी वृंदा देवी जय वृंदा देवी वृंदे 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 जय जय वृंदे जय जय वृंदे 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 जय 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 अष्ट सखी अष्ट सखी अष्ट सखी अष्ट सखी जय 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 चौष्ठ्य मंजरी जय चौष्ठ्य मंजरी 64 मंजरी जय 64 मंजरी जय गौर भक्त वृंद जय गौर भक्त वृंद गौर भक्त वृंद जय गौर भक्त वृंद जय गुरु परंपरा जय गुरु परंपरा गुरु परंपरा जय गुरु परंपरा जय षडगो स्वामी जय षडगो स्वामी षडगो स्वामी जय षडगो स्वामी जय भक्ति विनोद भक्ति विनोद भक्ति विनोद जय भक्ति विनोद जय सच्चिदानंद ठाकुर भक्ति विनोद सच्चिदानंद ठाकुर भक्ति विनोद जय कमल मंजरी जय भक्ति विनोद, कमल मंजरी जय भक्ति विनोद। जय गौर किशोर जय गौर किशोर, गौर किशोर जय गौर किशोर। जोर से बोलिए। जय भक्ति सिद्धांत श्रील प्रभुपाद, भक्ति सिद्धांत श्रील प्रभुपाद। जय भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी प्रभुपाद, भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी प्रभुपाद। गुरुदेव 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 गुरुदेव, जय जय गुरुदेव 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 गुरुदेव, जय जय गुरुदेव गुरुदेव गुरुदेव। हरि नाम हरि नाम हरि नाम हरि नाम, हरि नाम हरि नाम हरि नाम हरि नाम, हरि नाम हरि नाम हरि नाम हरि नाम हरि हरि नाम हरि नाम हरि नाम हरि नाम। जय राधा कुंड जय श्याम कुंड, राधा कुंड जय श्याम कुंड। जय श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड जय श्याम कुंड। हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल, निताय गौर। निताय गौर हरिनाम संकीर्तन महायज्ञ की जय। राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड धाम की जय। श्री राधा कुंज बिहारी की जय। राधा श्याम की जय। वृंदा देवी की जय। श्री गौर सुंदर भगवान की जय। श्री नित्यानंद राम की जय। श्री पंच तत्व की जय। श्री गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। वृंदा देवी की जय। गुरु परंपरा की जय। ऑल ग्लोरीज टू द assembled devotees, all glories to the assembled devotees, all glories to the assembled devotees, all glories to Sri Sri Guru and Gaurang Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita की जय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। यथा राधा प्रिय विष्णु तस्या कुंडं प्रियं तथा सर्वगोपीषु सैवैका विष्णोरत्यन्तवल्लभा। तवैवास्मि तवैवास्मि ना जीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय देवि त्वं नय मां चरणान्तिकम् तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये नमो महावदान्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामने गौरत्विषे नमः। जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय अद्वैत चंद्र जय गौर भक्त वृंद श्री चैतन्य लीला हये इखो दंड सम चर्वण करिते हुए रस आस्वादन। श्री चैतन्य चरितामृत आदि लीला चैप्टर 4। टेक्स्ट नंबर 199। प्रीति विषयानंदित दुआश्रयानंद तहा नहीं निज सुख वांछार संबंध। The happiness of the abode of love is in the happiness of the object of love. This is not a relationship of desire for personal satisfaction. जो गोपियां हैं वो आश्रय हैं और कृष्ण है वो विषय है। तो आश्रय का सुख विषय के सुख के लिए है, अपने खुद के सुख के लिए नहीं। The gopis never desire their own happiness because they are ashraya and Krishna is vishaya. So only to satisfy the senses of Krishna, gopis are serving Krishna. Not a moment, no, they desire their own happiness. अब एक क्षण के लिए भी गोपियां अपने सुख का चिंतन नहीं करती हैं, वो केवल कृष्ण के सुख के बारे में ध्यान करती हैं। निरुपाधि प्रेम जहां तहां ये रीति प्रीति विषय सुखे आश्रयेर प्रीति निज प्रेमानंदे कृष्ण सेवानंद बाढ़े से आनंदेर प्रति भक्तिरो महाक्रोधे। Whenever there is unselfish love, that is its style. The reservoir of love derives pleasure when the lovable object is pleased. When the pleasure of love interferes with the service of Lord Krishna, the devotee becomes angry towards such ecstasy. तो गोपीगण है वो कृष्ण को सुख देना चाहती हैं, और कृष्ण के सुख में अगर उनका आनंद भी बाधा होता है तो अपने आनंद के ऊपर भी क्रोधित होती हैं, अपने भाव के ऊपर भी क्रोधित होती हैं. The gopis become angry. The word angry is used. You may ask why anger can be manifested in unselfish love. Because the object of love, Krishna, they don't want to stop giving him happiness even for one moment. So if their own ecstasy becomes an obstacle, like for example the gopis are crying, when they serve Krishna the tears come in their eyes, then they curse their tears. They cannot stop their tears, but they curse their tears. Oh tears, you go away, because I cannot see Krishna for that moment. If I cannot see Krishna, then I cannot serve Krishna. तो जब गोपियों को आंसू आते हैं, गोपियां आंसुओं को कहती हैं चले जाओ, वो आंसुओं को रोक नहीं पाती हैं, लेकिन वो कहती हैं चले जाओ, क्योंकि हम एक क्षण के लिए भी कृष्ण को देख नहीं सकते, तो हम सेवा कैसे करेंगे आंसुओं के कारण. So this is the highest form of bhakti, is that our own ecstasy is secondary to Krishna's happiness. One should not perform bhakti to get the Ashta Satvik Vikar, the 8 ecstatic symptoms on our body. They are just a byproduct of bhakti. They are not the goal. Even our ecstasy is secondary to Krishna's happiness. हमारा भाव भी गौण है कृष्ण के सुख के सामने, तो भक्ति है वो केवल आनंद पाने के लिए नहीं करनी चाहिए. One day one devotee said, Prabhupada, I don't feel like going out for book distribution. Prabhupada said, who cares what you feel? Go out! It is for the pleasure of Krishna, not for your pleasure. एक भक्त ने बोला, प्रभुपाद आज मैं बाहर जाके प्रचार नहीं करना चाहता हूं, मेरा मन अच्छा नहीं है. प्रभुपाद ने कहा, तुम्हारे मन का किसको पड़ी है, तुम कृष्ण के सुख के लिए कर रहे हो. So we have to chant every day whether we like it or not. We have to drink the medicine of the name of Krishna. Niramayam Krishna Rasamayam Piba. Continuously we have to drink that rasayan of Krishna's name. कृष्ण के नाम का अमृत औषधि हमको पीना है, हमको पसंद आए ही नहीं आए, क्योंकि हम नाम हमारे सुख के लिए नहीं ले रहे हैं, हम राधा और कृष्ण की सुख के लिए ले रहे हैं. We are chanting the name for the happiness of the divine couple. And Nitai Gaur Sundar. So we should chant, we should serve, irrespective of what is our consciousness. In fact, if our consciousness is more down, we need the name of Krishna even more. अगर हमारा भाव और भी पतित है तो हमको नाम और लेना चाहिए. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। So that is known as real unselfish love. Not even caring for one's own ecstasies. One should serve Krishna. अपने भावों का चिंता किए बिना कृष्ण की सेवा करनी चाहिए। Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu 3.2.62, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is quoting from this verse. Angastambharambham uttung gayantam premanandam daruko nabhyan anandat kamsarater vijane jena sakshat अक्षोदियन्नन्तरायो व्यधायि। Sri Daruk did not relish his ecstatic feelings of love, for they caused his limbs to become stunned and thus obstructed his service of fanning Lord Krishna. कृष्ण के सारथी दारुक जी थे, वो कृष्ण को पंखा दे रहे थे, लेकिन कृष्ण को पंखा देने के टाइम उनके शरीर में इतना भाव आया कि उनके स्तब्ध हो गए, उनके शरीर पत्थर जैसा हो गया, आंख में से आंसू बहने लगे। वो कृष्ण को देख नहीं पा रहे थे, कृष्ण को पंखा नहीं दे रहे थे, तो उनको अच्छा नहीं लगा। अपने भावों के बारे में उन्होंने अपने भावों को संवरण किया। He got stunned in ecstasy, fanning Krishna. Because of that, he could not fan Krishna. He could not see Krishna because so many tears were flowing from his eyes. So he was cursing his tears. Go away. He tried to control his ecstasies, because ecstasy is not the goal. Krishna Seva Sukha, it is the goal of bhakti. Govinda Prekshanakshepi Baspa Purvabhivarshinam Uchchairanindhat Anandam Aravinda Vilochan. The lotus-eyed Radharani powerfully condemned the ecstatic love that caused a flow of tears that hindered her sight of Govinda. Radharani was cursing, criticizing, condemning her ecstatic love, which caused tears in her eyes, which stopped her from looking at the beauty of Govinda. And she knew that when she looked at Govinda, Govinda became happy. So she was condemning her own tears. राधा रानी अपने खुद आंसुओं को शाप दे रही है। राधा रानी अपने भाव, महाभाव के कारण अपने आंसुओं को रोक नहीं पाती हैं, इसलिए वो कृष्ण का दर्शन ठीक से नहीं कर पाती हैं। और कृष्ण का दर्शन ठीक से नहीं कर पाती हैं, उसका अर्थ यह है कि कृष्ण को आनंद नहीं मिलता। जब राधिका कृष्ण को देखती हैं तब कृष्ण को आनंद मिलता है। When Radha Rani looks at Krishna, Krishna feels happy. Radhika di gone heri noyone rakone. Radhika di gone heri noyone rakone. तृप्त होए खाए कृष्ण जशोदा भवने। तृप्त होए खाए कृष्ण जशोदा भवने। राधिका दी রাধিকা দি গণে হেরি নয়নের কোণে তৃপ্ত হয়ে খায় কৃষ্ণ যশোদা ভবনে তৃপ্ত হয়ে খায় কৃষ্ণ যশোদা ভবনে রাধে 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 राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे 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 जय जय श्री 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 राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे जय नंद भवन जय नंद भवन नंद भवन जय नंद भवन जय नंद गांव धाम जय नंद गांव धाम नंद गांव धाम जय नंद गांव धाम जय नित्य लीला जय नित्य लीला नित्य लीला जय नित्य लीला जय यशोदा मैया जय यशोदा मैया यशोदा मैया जय यशोदा मैया आर शुद्ध भक्त कृष्ण प्रेम सेवा विने स्वसुखार्थ सालोक्यादि न करे ग्रहण Furthermore, there are pure devotees of Krishna. Just for Krishna, serving Krishna and giving happiness to Krishna by service, they don't accept their own personal pleasure in the form of the four muktis in Vaikuntha. They don't accept the four muktis in Vaikuntha because Krishna's seva sukh is not there. भगवान के शुद्ध भक्त चार प्रकार की मुक्तियों को स्वीकार नहीं करते हैं वैकुंठ में, क्योंकि वो मुक्ति के पाने के कारण वो कृष्ण को सेवा सुख नहीं दे सकते। इसलिए सेवा ही चाहिए। मुक्ति का क्या फायदा अगर हम कृष्ण की सेवा नहीं कर सके? क्योंकि हम सब कृष्ण के ऊपर निर्भर हैं, तो हमारा कर्तव्य है उनकी सेवा करना, हमारा ये कार्य है, धर्म है। It is our dharma to serve Krishna because we are Krishna's part and parcel. We are a part of Krishna. So without serving Krishna, there is no meaning to our existence. There is no meaning. So we have to serve Krishna without thinking of our own pleasure. Even in Vaikuntha, we don't care whether we get Salokya, Samipya, Sarshti or Sarupya. We don't want that. Mat guna shruti matrena mai sarva guhashay mano gatira vichhinna yatha ganga vasum budau. These are the verses from Kapil Dev's teachings to Devahuti, his own mother. Gauranga Mahaprabhu heard these teachings 100 times in Toda Gopinath temple from Gadadhar Pandit. Because these teachings are the most beautiful of all. Especially the glories of hearing, which Kapil Dev is describing here. He said, Mat guna shruti matrena. Just by hearing about my qualities, simply matrena, mai sarva guhashaye. The devotees' minds and the devotees' hearts, they flow to me effortlessly just by hearing my glories. Just like the Ganga, it flows unobstructed right from the Brahma Loka to the Patal Loka. Nothing can stop the Ganga. Whatever obstacles come on her path, she just creates her own path. Similarly, the minds of the pure devotees, simply by hearing my glories, they think of me, they come to me. मेरे शुद्ध भक्त मेरे बारे में श्रवण करने मात्र से उनका मन मेरी तरफ दौड़ता है, उनका मन मेरी तरफ भागता है, मेरे शुद्ध भक्तों का. जैसे गंगा है, गंगा जी में पत्थर डालेंगे तो गंगा को रोक नहीं सकते, गंगा अपना रास्ता बना लेगी. वैसे शुद्ध भक्त को कोई नहीं रोक सकता, उनके मन और हृदय को वो भगवान की तरफ भागता है. The mind of the pure devotee runs to Krishna in every circumstance, in any circumstance, while talking, while walking, while eating, while sleeping. A pure devotee is always thinking of Krishna because a pure devotee has heard the pure sound vibration. Mat guna shruti matrena. क्योंकि भगवान के शुद्ध भक्त ने मेरे गुणों के बारे में सुना है, इसलिए उसका मन कृष्ण की तरफ दौड़ता है. अगर हम श्रवण नहीं करेंगे तो हम स्मरण नहीं कर सकते. If we don't hear, then we cannot remember Krishna. In fact, that remembrance while hearing is the highest remembrance. जब हम सुन रहे हैं तभी हम सोच रहे हैं कृष्ण के बारे में, ये सबसे बड़ा चिंतन है. So, and what you have to hear? Mat guna. First you have to hear the form while chanting the name of Krishna. Then when the form and the name becomes one, then you have to hear his qualities while chanting. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So there is Nam Kirtan, there is Roop Kirtan, there is Guna Kirtan, there is Leela Kirtan. But to do this kind of kirtan, you have to find the qualified sangha, the devotees. When the devotees remember the form while doing the kirtan, it is known as Rupa Kirtan. When the devotees remember the 64 qualities of Krishna while doing kirtan, it is known as Guna Kirtan. When they remember the Leelas of Krishna, that is known as Leela Kirtan. जब कीर्तन करते करते भक्त रूप का चिंतन करते उसको रूप कीर्तन कहते हैं. जब कृष्ण की गुण का चिंतन करते हैं तो उसको गुण कीर्तन कहते हैं. जब कीर्तन में लीला का चिंतन होता है तब उसको लीला कीर्तन कहते हैं. So one has to hear the guna kirtan. By hearing about Krishna's qualities, one gets attracted to Krishna. Lakshanam bhakti yogasya nirgunasya udaritam ahaituki avyahita या भक्ति पुरुषोत. भक्ति का ये लक्षण है, परम परमेश्वर कृष्ण के प्रति भक्ति है वो अहेतु की है, कोई हेतु नहीं है और उसको कोई रोक नहीं सकता. अव्यवहिता, वो कृष्ण की तरफ भागती है, भक्ति आकर्षित होती है. और एक समय ऐसा आता है कि भक्ति कृष्ण को भी आकर्षण करती है. The quality of devotional, pure devotional service is that it is causeless. There is no cause for worshipping Krishna. The gopis didn't have any cause. Ahetuki. They did not want anything from Krishna. Even when Krishna called them for the Ras Leela, they did not want to enjoy. They wanted to give him happiness. गोपियों को कुछ कृष्ण से चाहिए नहीं था. रासलीला के समय भी गोपियां केवल कृष्ण को सुख देना चाहती थी. यही इनका भाव था. अहेतु की अव्यवहिता. अव्यवहिता means nobody can stop the bhakti. Nobody can stop you from remembering Krishna. Only you yourself can stop it. हमको कृष्ण के बारे में स्मरण करने से कोई रोक नहीं सकता. शुद्ध भक्तों का हृदय कृष्ण की तरफ भागता है. Nobody can stop us. If we commit Vaishnava aparadh, then it is stopped. If we commit Nama aparadh, then it is stopped. Otherwise, nobody can stop us from remembering Krishna. Salokya sashti sarupya samipyaikatvam apyuta diyamanam na grihenanti vinamad sevanam jana. My devotees do not accept salokya, sarshti, sarupya, samipya or any kind of mukti. Even if I offer these liberations in preference to serving me. Vinamat sevanam jana. If there is no seva in the mukti, then the devotees don't accept that. अगर ये सामीप्य मुक्ति में सेवा नहीं है, भगवान के निकट जाने में, अगर सालोक्य मुक्ति में सेवा नहीं है, तो भक्त उसको स्वीकार नहीं करते. They never accept. Because seva sukha is the highest happiness for my devotees. That is their greatest good fortune. That is their connection to Krishna. কি করিবে? হরি বল. मत सेवया प्रतितम ते सालोक्यादि चतुष्टयम निच्छन्ति सेवया पूर्णा कुतोन्यत काल विप्लुतम. My devotees, having fulfilled their desires by serving me, do not accept the 4 kinds of salvation. They are easily earned by such service. Why then should they accept any pleasures that are lost in the course of time? This is in regards to Amrish Maharaj from the 9th canto. नवम स्कंद में से कहा है कि मेरे भक्त कोई भी 4 प्रकार की मुक्ति को स्वीकार नहीं करते, क्योंकि उसमें मेरी सेवा नहीं होती है। कोई भी प्रकार के तो इसलिए कामगंधहीन स्वाभाविक गोपी प्रेम निर्मल उज्ज्वल शुद्ध ये ने दग्ध हेम। खोली दिबे पर्दा खोली दिबे की करिबे खोली दिबे। सो कामगंधहीन, the love of the gopis is without any tinge of lusty desire. We have already heard about that, and it is natural. Nirmala, Ujjvala, Shuddha, Yeno Dagda Hem. Nirmala means very, very pure, very crystalline. Shuddha, free of all contamination. And Ujjvala means effulgent. The gopis' love is effulgent, just like 24 karat gold, just like molten gold. You put gold in the fire, it becomes more and more illustrious. The more the gopis feel separation from Krishna, the more their love increases. गोपियों का प्रेम निर्मल है, शुद्ध है और उज्जवल है, और गोपियों का प्रेम सुवर्ण हेम जैसा है, काम गंधहीन है। स्वाभाविक गोपी प्रेम, काम गंध नहीं है इसमें। It looks like calm, but it is not calm. It is known as Adi Ras, the original love, the pure love in Vraj. काम जैसा दिखता है गोपियों का प्रेम, लेकिन वो काम नहीं है, वो शुद्ध आदि रास है, क्योंकि वो कृष्ण की संतुष्टि के लिए। कृष्ण हेरो सहाय गुरु बांधव प्रेयसी गोपिका है न प्रिया शिष्य सखी दासी। The reason why gopis love is selfless is because the gopis can take any position in their service to Krishna. They become helpers, they become Krishna's teachers, they become friends, they become wives, they become disciples, they become confidants, and they become maids of Krishna. They can take any position in Krishna's service. That is why their love is pure. They don't want to be only lovers. If being a maid of Krishna gives happiness to Krishna, they will become a maid. If becoming a teacher of Krishna gives happiness to Krishna, they will become a teacher. गोपियां हैं वो कोई भी सेवा करने को तैयार हैं। भगवान की दासी, भगवान की गुरु, भगवान की बांधव, भगवान की सहायक, भगवान की प्रेयसी, भगवान की प्रिया और भगवान की शिष्या, भगवान की सखी, भगवान की दासी, कुछ भी बनने को तैयार है जिससे कृष्ण को सुख मिले। इससे पता चलता है कि उनका प्रेम निस्वार्थ है, उसमें कोई अपेक्षा नहीं है। There are no expectations in the gopis' love for Krishna, because they are willing to serve Krishna in whichever way Krishna wants, not in whichever way they want. Shlishva Padaratam Pinastumam Adarsanam परमहतां करो तुआ यथा तथा वा विदधातु लंपटो मद प्राणनाथस्तु सएव नापरः मद प्राणनाथस्तु सएव नापरः. That is the last verse of Shikshashtakam, which shows the unconditional bhakti of Radharani and the gopis. There is no condition. Even if Krishna ignores them all the time, if Krishna tramples them, they don't have any expectations. They are simply want to give happiness to Krishna. अगर कृष्ण भगवान हमें कुचल देंगे, अगर कृष्ण भगवान हमको दर्शन नहीं देंगे, अगर कृष्ण भगवान हमको आलिंगन नहीं करेंगे, तो भी वही हमारे प्राणनाथ हैं. हम निस्वार्थ भाव से उनकी सेवा करें. सहाय गुरुवः शिष्या भुजिष्या बांधव स्त्रिय सत्यम वदामि ते पार्थ गोप्या किम मे भवन्ति न. O Partha, I speak to you the truth. The gopis are my helpers, teachers, disciples, servants, friends and consorts. I do not know what they are not to me. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is one of the greatest scholars. The pure devotees can see all the scriptures. When they are writing the scriptures, they can see all the scriptures. So they collect the gems from the scriptures which are relevant to the verses. So here Krishnadas Kaviraj is quoting from Gopi Premamrita, a very rare book. This book is Krishna is talking to Arjuna in Gopi Premamrita. This book is no longer available, very difficult to get. Gopi Premamrit नाम के ग्रंथ से कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी ये श्लोक बता रहे हैं, क्योंकि कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी कस्तूरी मंजरी होने के कारण भगवान के राधा रानी की प्रिय परिकर, उनको सब पता है कौन से शास्त्र में कौन सा श्लोक है, सब कुछ देख सकते हैं, त्रिकालदर्शी होते. गोपिका जाने न कृष्ण रो मोने रवांछित प्रेम सेवा परिपाटी इष्ट समीहित. Only the gopis, they know Krishna's desires and they know how to render perfect loving service for his enjoyment. They perform their service expertly for the satisfaction of their beloved. केवल गोपियां ही कृष्ण के वांछा को जानती हैं और केवल गोपी ही कृष्ण की इच्छाओं को पूरी कर सकती हैं. कृष्ण की कैसे सेवा करना है केवल गोपी ही जानती, और अपनी सेवा परिपाटी मतलब दक्षता से करती हैं, अपने इष्ट देव कृष्ण को प्रसन्न करने के लिए. The gopis perform their seva immaculately. Like right now Radharani was cooking in Nandagaon and they are serving to Krishna. So everything they perform is immaculate for the pleasure of Krishna. Even when we become sadhan siddhas and we enter into the Leela, we have to get trained from the Nitya Siddhas, the Ragatmika gopis, on how to serve Krishna perfectly. We can't know how to do that unless we associate with the Nitya Siddhas, unless we learn paripati, unless we learn from them. So, if one has to understand Krishna's mind, Krishna desires, then one has to follow in the footsteps of the gopis. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, my Param Gurudev, used to say that the highest seva, the third kind of seva, is known as Krishna Kam Seva. What is that? Krishna Kam Seva. First is Krishna Dham Seva, then Krishna Nam Seva, then the third is Krishna Kam Seva. Krishna Kam Seva means to know the desire of Krishna and to serve him accordingly. पहली है कृष्ण धाम सेवा, फिर दूसरा है कृष्ण नाम सेवा, फिर तीसरा है कृष्ण काम सेवा. धाम में आने से नाम में रुचि पैदा होती है और नाम लेने से कृष्ण की इच्छा क्या है, गोपियों के प्रेम को हम जान सकते हैं. गोपियों के द्वारा हमको शिक्षण नहीं मिलेगा तो हम कृष्ण की इच्छाओं को पूर्ण नहीं कर सकते. गोपियों के पद चिन्हों में हमें भक्ति करनी चाहिए. That is why Vishwanath Chakrabarti Thakur says, Aradhyo Bhagavan Vrajesh Tanayah Tadham Vrindavanam Ramya Kachidupasana Vrajavadu Vargina Vakalpita. Always meditate on the worship of the gopis, upasana, how they are worshipping Krishna at every moment, selflessly. And if we don't hear about their love from Chaitanya Charitamrita, then how can we understand their service? अगर उनके शुद्ध प्रेम के बारे में सुनेंगे नहीं चैतन्य चरितामृत से, तो उनकी सेवा के बारे में हम कैसे समझ सकते हैं? Only if you read Chaitanya Charitamrita, you can understand Govinda Lilamrit. Govinda Lilamrit is Gaur Lila, Chaitanya Charitamrita is Gaur Lila, and Govinda Lilamrit is Nitya Lila, Krishna Lila. So Chaitanya Charitamrita is the way to enter into Govinda Lilamrit. Every day one should give time to both the Leelas, Gaur Lila and Krishna Leela. Because without Gaur Leela we have no qualification to enter into Krishna Leela. Every day we should do Gaur Nam Sankirtan and then Krishna Nam Sankirtan. Because without Gaur Nam Sankirtan we are not qualified to enter into Krishna Nam Sankirtan. गौर नाम संकीर्तन करके कृष्ण नाम में प्रवेश मिलता है. गौर लीला को सुनने से कृष्ण लीला में प्रवेश मिलता है. गौरांगेर मधुर लीला जार करणे प्रवेशिला हृदय निर्मोल बेलोतार गौरांगेर नाम लोए तार होए प्रेमोदय तार मुई जाय बलिहारी गौरांग गुणते झूरे नित्य लीला तारे स्फुरे राधा माधव अंतरंग I remember when I was a brahmachari, I was reading Govinda Lilamrit. Means while doing japa, trying to the pastimes. I was struggling to remember the pastimes, but when I came across Gauranga Lilamrit, there is one book known as Gauranga Lilamrit, written by Vishwanath Chakravarti and Norhari Chakravarti about Gauranga's Leela, Nitya Leela in Navadvip. So when I started meditating on Gauranga's Leela in Navadvip, while chanting, Radha Krishna's Leela became so clear, so easy, so effortless. Gauranga लीला, मैं पहले गोविंद लीलामृत पढ़ता था, फिर गौरांग लीलामृत पढ़ने लगा. गौरांग की नित्य लीला पे जब मैंने ध्यान किया तो राधा कृष्ण की नित्य लीला बहुत सहज हो गई, बहुत सहजता से प्राप्त कर. You can see the lotus feet of Radharani very, very clearly if you meditate on the lotus feet of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. गौरांग महाप्रभु के चरणों पे जो ध्यान करता है वो राधा रानी के चरण कमलों को बहुत ही स्पष्टता से देख सकता है. It is not I am saying, these are the words of Prabodhananda Saraswati, who is Tunga Vidya. यथा यथा गौर पदारविंदा विंदेत भक्तिम कृत पुण्य राशि तथा तथा हृदय उत्सर्पति कस्मात् राधा पदम्बुज सुदम्बुराशि. Akasmat means suddenly. Suddenly Radharani's lotus feet will arise in your heart if you always think of the lotus feet of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Become like a honey bee drinking the nectar of Gaura Leela, Gaura Naam, Gaura Dham, Gaura Bhaktas Leela. Don't think that will cannot take you to Radha Krishna. No, that is the only way to Radha Krishna. Gaurangera sangi gone nitya siddha kori mane she jai brajen. I was reading one article yesterday by my Param Gurudev Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati. He says those who try to hear Rasa Katha prematurely, they have to finish Anartha Nivrutti and come to Artha Pravrutti. When the Artha Pravrutti starts, then they can hear the Ras Leela. And the best way to come to Artha Pravrutti is to chant the name of Gauranga. 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 Looks like only I am chanting, nobody else is saying. Gauranga! Gauranga! Thank you. From today I have become your das. Dharamui Jai Balihari. Narottam Das Thakur says, Grihe Baba Nete Thake Ha Gauranga Bole Dake. Grihe Baba Nete Thake Ha Gauranga Bole Dake. Grihe Baba Nete Thake Ha Gauranga Bole Dake. Narottam Mage Taro Sanga. नरोत्तम मागे तारो संग, नरोत्तम मागे तारो संग, नरोत्तम मागे तारो संग, नेते ढाके हा गौरांग बोले डाके, नरोत्तम मागे तारो संग, नरोत्तम मागे तारो संग, कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम राम, हरि बोल हरि बोल। It does not matter whether you stay in your house, your bungalow, your palace, or in the jungle, or in the hut. It does not matter wherever you stay, but one who chants the name of Gauranga. I want his association. Even Champak Manjari wants the association of one who chants Gauranga's name. नरोत्तम दास ठाकुर महाभागवत चंपक मंजरी हैं, उनको भी ऐसे जीव का संग चाहिए जो गौरांग का नाम लेता है। भले वो जंगल में लेगा या महल में लेगा, कोई चिंता नहीं, किधर भी रहो। Why? Because Narottam Das Thakur knows that anybody who chants Gauranga's name will get prema bhakti. Gaurangera naam loe taro hoye premodoi. So he will attain the highest love. So that's why I want his association. जो गौरांग का नाम लेगा उसको प्रेम मिलना निश्चित है, इसलिए नरोत्तम को ऐसे भक्त का संग चाहिए। गौर नाम लय जय सद्य कृष्ण पाए से, गौर नाम लय जय सद्य कृष्ण पाए से, अपराध नहीं रोहेता, अपराध नहीं रोहेता, गौर नाम ले जय सत्यो कृष्ण पाए से, गौर नाम ले जय सत्यो कृष्ण पाए से। हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल। गौर बोल गौर बोल गौर बोल गौर बोल, गौर बोल गौर बोल गौर बोल गौर बोल, हरि बोल। You drown in Gauranga's mercy and you will come out in Radha Krishna's Leela. So easy. So thank you very much. Tomorrow morning we will continue. And I'm very happy to say that tomorrow will be the description of Radha Kund in Chaitanya Charitamrita. So please come tomorrow. We'll be discussing, Krishnadas Kaviraj will be discussing how Radha Kund is very, very pleasing to Lord Krishna. Thank you very much. Any questions, comments or anything, please? Yes. Yashoda Putra Das. Yes, so the solution is given by Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati that you can hear, but you should be very attached to Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Then you can hear Radha Krishna's Rasa Katha. In fact, in one commentary to Chaitanya Charitamrita, Prabhupada writes, one should very regularly chant the name of Nityananda. One should very regularly chant the name of Gauranga. And then one should approach Radha Krishna in Vrindavan Dham. This is not my statement of my Shiksha Gurudev, Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada. कि प्रभुपाद लिखते हैं कि जो गौरांग का भक्त है वो राधा कृष्ण की लीला सुन सकता है अगर उसको गौरांग के चरण कमलों में विश्वास है। नित्य जो निताई गौर का आश्रय लेता है वो राधा कृष्ण के निकट में जा सकता है। श्रील भक्ति रक्षक श्रीधर देव महाराज ऑल्सो यूज्ड टू से दैट always try to approach Radha Krishna via Gauranga Mahaprabhu. So if you are reading Gaur Leela every day, if you are taking association with Gauranga's Audarya every day, then you can enter into the Madhurya of Radha Krishna safely without being, because that gives you the qualification to meditate on Radha Krishna. Any? Yes. Yes.
Actually, they feel like shy to speak, but I remember what Uddhava said to Vidura when he was inquired by him. It is described in Bhagavatam that in the beginning the mind of Uddhava goes to spiritual stars,
Yes.
and then it becomes difficult to him for speak. But at least he speaks not. He begins saying that if he don't speak,
Yes.
the power of, or the ability of talking will remain
Yes.
embodied or with no sense. So now we try to speak. I don't know if Krishna will like or not. If he doesn't like, he will laugh on me. So that makes me satisfied.
No problem.
Krishna laughs. So the thing is, that is, as you say, no?
Yes.
All day we must remember Gauranga, Lila, and Krishna Lila. And for example, by reading the Gaura Lila Astaka Lila Mangala Stotram,
Yes.
we read that in the very beginning of the day, when Gaura opened his eyes, immediately he felt symptoms of ecstasy because he remembered
Yes.
Radharani Krishna in the Kunsha and Radharani very close
Yeah.
to him
Yes.
in the period of 336 up to 6. So,
Nishant Leela. Yeah.
so
Very nice.
when we open our eyes, gradually it will become natural for us to think in what is doing Gauranga.
Yes.
And immediately by meditate on Gauranga,
Yes.
meditate on what Gauranga is meditating.
Yes.
Meditation is. And this meditation is in that Radharani is in the Nikunja, in the right with Krishna, close to him.
Yes.
So then next period from 60 to
Yes.
36, he go out from the Srivas Angan to the courtyard
Yes.
and began from the very bottom of his heart
Yes.
so much eagerness and love, and in length speak of what is Krishna doing in this period and also
Yes.
So I like to recommend everyone to read particularly the Gaura Astakalia Nama.
Yes. Yes.
It is very brief and will give to anyone who read it gradually more kind of desire and eagerness to remember this God. And you please correct me if I say something wrong, but it's very new. So, and another thing is that you very frequently say that when we chant the holy name, we must we must try to be aware of that holy name and the form of Krishna
Yes.
is one. It is not difficult to see because the way you speak, that when you speak, you remember, you are absorbed in the Gaura Lila, rather Krishna Lila. But I want to say that when you speak, or you say that the holy name and Krishna must be felt as one, to meditate on Krishna implies also Radharani. Raghunath Goswami, you know what the meaning he gives of the holy name, the very esoteric and erotic
Yes.
definition or meaning he gives. And also, Raghunath Goswami seems to be extremely fanatic of Radharani, up to the point to say that I don't want to see the face of this hypocrite person who always remember Krishna and always forget Radharani. But also, it pained my heart like a javelin throwing my heart. Those who speak of Krishna and don't speak of Radharani.
Yes.
Another very nice and sweet verse. It says, to those who don't smear the body with the dust of Radharani, who never hear Rasika devotees speak about Radharani, so they will never take even like a drop of the ocean of Syama Rasa. So I want to make this commentary because maybe someone may think that to make Krishna and the holy name one not implies to meditate also in Radharani.
Yes.
So when we chant the holy name, we must try to focus
Yes.
our mind in the form of Krishna and Radharani, and then trying to go up to the stage of
Yes. Thank you. You are my greatest friend because you reminded me of Gaur Lila in the morning. Gaur Lila, everybody should. It is so beautiful of Mahaprabhu in Navadvip, remembering Radha Krishna's Pratah Lila. It's very, very ecstatic. Everybody should meditate on that. And in regards to your second point, I agree. The meaning of Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare means Radhika, who attracts, enchants Krishna. In fact, Bhakti Vinod Thakur gives a very interesting meaning to the Mahamantra. He says, Hare Krishna means the Nishant Leela. The second Hare Krishna means the Pratah Leela. Krishna Krishna means the Madhyan Leela. Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. He says there are 8 sections of the Mahamantra which correspond to one Ashtakalya Leela of Radha and Krishna. So when we come to the stage of Nama, Rupa, Guna, and then when we enter into Leela, then we will see all the Ashtakalya Leela in the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. The full, the morning up to the night, all the Leela. Krishna Samudra Leela hoye Name Vidyaman. कृष्ण के समग्र लीला नाम में विद्यमान है, पूरी अष्टकालीय लीला नाम में है. So you will see Radha Rani, you will see the gopis, you will see Radha Kund, Sham Kund. Everything in the holy name of Krishna. And at that time, don't forget me. Come and give me your mercy. Any other questions? Yes. Calm. The practical is to associate with advanced Tishtan Vraje Tat Anuragi Jananugami, to reside in the Dham and to follow in the footsteps of Anuragi devotees, to hear the Hari Katha and then to develop Ruchi for the Naam. then we will be able to understand the Kam Seva. That's why I greatly appreciate all of you devotees. You come from your countries, from very far away, to take shelter of the Dham. You are more serious than many Indian devotees, bodied devotees, who stay here, but they cannot come for the whole month and do Dham Seva. So Dham Seva also you have to do in association with advanced sadhus. When you do Dham Seva with Sadhu Seva, then you get taste for the name. Syan Mahat Sevaya Vipra Punya Tirtha Nishevanat Vasudeva Katha Ruchihi. Then you get taste for the holy name. So, and then when you get taste for the holy name, then gradually you will understand the desires of Krishna. For you, what are the desires of Krishna? For how does Krishna wants us to serve in the Leela? What does Krishna want us to meditate on? Everything will come slowly by the mercy of the Dham, the Nam and the Sadhus. Like every day I do Sankirtan in Radha Kund, I get some more deeper appreciation of my own seva. So it is, Radha Kund, Sham Kund is such a extraordinary place, but that by taking bath here, by doing Nama Sankirtan here, by doing any kind of bhajan here, one directly goes towards Swarup Siddhi. Swarup Siddhi is very easy to attain in Radha Kund, especially if we follow in the footsteps of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, we approach via him. Yes. Dham Seva and Nam Seva will automatically lead to Kam Seva. Krishna's Kam is a very high thing. We have the Kam Gayatri mantra of 24 and a half syllables. It's a very, very high thing, but still we will be able to understand slowly what is Krishna's desire for us. In the Leela. Any other question? I am sorry for the 2 days break. I was Ekadashi, so I wanted to do some own bhajan and continuous talking. I had also my throat. Now from today again till the end of Kartik, hopefully we'll have daily katha, morning and evening. 7:30, 7:45 morning and 4:30, 4:45 in the evening. Evening is Harinam Chintamani and morning is Chaitanya Charitamrita. Thank you. Hare Krishna.